how to manually add a workout to Apple Fitness app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever missed tracking a workout on your Apple Watch, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to manually add a workout to the Apple Fitness app using the Health app. So, first things first, you have to open your Health app. You might think you can add a workout directly in the Fitness app, but that's not the case. So once you're in the Health app, go to the Browse, and there you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and search for workouts. Tap on it, and there on the top right, you'll see an Add Data button. Go ahead and tap on it. Here you can enter all the details for a missed workout. Start by selecting your activity type. If you know the calories burned, distance, and the start and end times, fill those in. Once you've entered everything, tap Add in the top right corner. Your workout will now be saved and synced with the fitness app, counting those minutes toward the activity. And that's it. If you have successfully added a missed workout to your Apple Fitness app, this is it. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video.